just arrived. It's, what time is it? I think it's like 8:50 in the morning, so starting our day early. We're ready. This was like really last minute plans, so I'm excited. Are you excited, Josh?
Yes, I am.
Let's do this.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, there's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
Done with the museum. How was it?
It was awesome. I liked it.
Yeah, I liked it too. It's just like outside and you could just take your time. We've been here for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Very long time. I was expecting to be here for 1 hour, but we just wanted an easy day. Kind of exhausted. Yeah, so I think we're gonna go home now because we don't have anything else and we're just too tired. Yeah.
We're old.
But thank you for coming on our trip, and I guess you'll see us in our next adventure. I'll see you. Bye.